Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. So let's start the video today. In this video, I'm going to talk about the RBI eligibility criteria. What is your eligibility? What are the fees? How much you require to fill up the form and all the details that is required for RBI Grade B officer for this examination. So let's start with it. Directly, I'll come to the eligibility criteria. To be able to crack this examination, you must be aware of the RBI Grade B eligibility criteria. A candidate should be between 21 and 30 years of age to be eligible for RBI Grade B examination. There are age relaxations definitely based on whether you belong to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or OBC or a person with disability category. Application form and fees, talking about that, the steps of filling in the application form are as I'm going to discuss to you right now. Firstly, you have to visit the RBI's application portal and apply on online link. Next, register yourself for the first time on the portal. Then you have to provide your basic information about yourself, such as name, age, contact details, such as phone number, address, and email ID, etc. A photograph and your signature should be uploaded as per the specifications provided in the RBI website portal. Next, you have to provide all your educational qualification information and then save and preview your application form for any errors. Payment of the fees has to be done next, which is rupees 850 for or rupees 100 depending on your category, which can be made through either debit card or credit card or net banking, and it will be confirmed. Once the form is submitted, you will receive an email with your login credentials. Guidelines for uploading the picture and signature is discussed right now. Firstly, the picture image dimension should be 200 by 230 pixels and the file type is JPG or JPEG file, size not more than 50 KB. Signature image dimensions 140 by 60 pixels and the file type is JPG or JPEG and the file size should not be more than 20 KB. After filling the application form, the portal will direct you to the application fees page. Upon successful completion of the transaction, an e-receipt or electronic receipt will be generated. You are required to take a print out of this receipt. Once the candidate is successfully registered, a registration number and password will be generated, which you should duly note down for further reference. Next, here I will discuss the expected application fee for different categories. That is category 5. For general or OBC, it is 850 rupees. Application fee includes all the intimation charges. For scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, PWD, it is 100 rupees intimation charges only. For RBI staff member, no application fee. Talking about the grade B admit card, this contains the examination center, center address, date, and time of the examination and will be availed on the RBI website only. The candidates can download the admit card by using the registration card number and password that is provided during the time of the registration that I told to note it down. No hard copy of the call letter will be mailed to the candidate. RBI Grade B examination centers, I'll give you the center locations in details. For Andaman and Nicobar, it's Port Blair. For Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, the centers are Guntur, Nara Sarparot, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Koladda, Karimnagar, Warangal, Rajamundry, Kakinada, Tirupati, Chittoor, Vijayawada, and Kanchi Kerala. Gudavaleru, Uluru, Vishakhapatnam, Viziagarnagam. That's it. For Arunachal Pradesh, it's Itanagar, Naharlagaon city, Assam, it's Dibrugarh. Guwahati, it's Jorhat Silchar. Bihar, Bhagalpur. Muzaffarpur, Patna. Chandigarh is Chandigarh itself. Chhattisgarh is Raipur, Bhilai. Daman and Diu is Jamnagar. Goa, Varna. Gujarat has Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Bhavnagar, Jamnagar, Rajkot, Surat, and Vadodara. For Haryana, it's Hisar, Karnal, and Rohtak. For Himachal Pradesh, it's Dharamsala, Shimla, and for Jammu Kashmir, it's Jammu. For Jharkhand, it's Bokaro, Dhanbad, Jamshedpur, and Ranchi. For Karnataka, it's Belgaum, Begalpur, Bengaluru, Chikkabalapur, Kolar, Tumkur, Gulbarga, Bidar, Hubli, Dharwad, Gadag, Mangalore, Mysore, Mandya, Udupi. For Kerala, it's Kannur, Kasargod, Kochi, Kottayam, Pathanamthitta, Kozhikode, Malappuram, Trichur, Pallakad, Thiruvananthapuram, Kollar, and Nagarkul. For Lakshadweep, it is Kavarati. Madhya Pradesh, it's Bhopal, Gwalior, Indore, Jabalpur. For Maharashtra, it's Aurangabad, Kolhapur, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Nagpur, Nasik, Pune, Solapur. For Manipur, it's Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. For Mizoram, it's Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. For New Delhi, it's Delhi NCR. For Orissa, it's Balasore. For Behrampur, Ganjam, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Sambalpur, Puducherry. Puducherry is Kudalur, Viluppuram. For Punjab, it's Amritsar, Bhatinda, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Mohali, Patiala. For Rajasthan, it's Ajmer, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Kota, Udaipur. For Sikkim, it's Gantok and Bardang city. For Tamil Nadu, it's Chennai, Vellore, Coimbatore, Erode, Tirupur, Madurai, Virudhunagar, Didingul, Salem, Namakkal, Tiruchirappalli, Perambur, Pudukottai, Tanjavur, Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, Tuticorin. For Tirupati, it's Tripura, it's Agartala. For Uttar Pradesh, it's Allahabad, Bareilly, Gorakhpur, Kanpur, Lucknow, Meerut, and Varanasi. For Uttarakhand, it's Dehradun, Haldwani, Nainital, Roorkee city. For West Bengal, it's Behrampur, West Bengal, Durgapur, Kolkata, Greater Kolkata, Howrah, Hubli, Kalyani, and Siliguri. Now I'll talk about the RBI Grade B syllabus. RBI Grade B syllabus forms an important part of your preparation strategy. So knowing the syllabus is the first and foremost step in planning your study schedule. The syllabus for RBI Grade B, let's talk about that. For General DR, for prelims and mains, the syllabus is RBI Grade B prelims. Syllabus has 4 tests, that is General Awareness, English Language, Reasoning, and Numerical Ability. You should note down that the complete RBI Grade B syllabus of all the 4 subjects for prelims refer to the complete RBI Grade B General DR exam syllabus for prelims, that is dedicated the syllabus in the RBI exam page. RBI Grade B main syllabus consists of 3 papers. That is, firstly, paper 1 will consist of economic and social issues. Next, paper 2 consists of English language, that is the descriptive. Next, talking about the paper 3 comprises of finance and management. So these are the 3 papers that you will have. Now talking about the books that you can refer. Here are a number of good quality books that I'm going to say you right now, which you can refer to as per your game for the RBI Grade B examination. Reading the books will definitely give you the conceptual knowledge, and it will enhance your preparation, and it will give you the required depth in the topics relevant to the RBI Grade B examination. So for the economic and social issues, the books are You can refer to Indian Economy by Uma Kapila or Mishra Puri. Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. These are the two great books. For finance and management, you can refer to Financial Management by Prasanna Chandra or I. M. Pandey. For another book is there, Indian Financial System by Bharti Pathak. Principles of Management book by L. N. Prasad. Organizational Behavior by S. P. Robbins. For quantitative aptitude, you can refer to Quicker Mathematics by BSc publication, Quantitative Aptitude by BSc publication, Class Notes by SS Bharati. For reasoning ability, you can refer to A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. Next, Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by S. Chand publication, Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by Arihant publication. For English language, you can refer to English Grammar by Wren and Martin publication, Made Easy for English by Norman Lewis, Descriptive General English by S.P. Bakshi. For general awareness, you can refer to Lucent GK Knowledge by Lucent publication, Life of a RBI Grade B officer. Now I will talk about this, which is very important. RBI requires competent staff to perform its smooth functioning. An RBI Grade B officer has to perform his or her duties distinctly to ensure that the position is well respected. For this very reason, RBI gives handsome compensation to its Grade B officers. A few of the basics which an RBI Grade B officer has to privy with is firstly, managing government's accounts, supervision of assigned regional office that is given to him or her, issuing and circulating the currency. These are the main functions that he has to perform. So with this function, with all these exam centers, I am sure this RBI examination, along with the syllabus and the books that you can refer, is clearly explained in this video. So if you are one of those candidates who is preparing for RBI Grade B exam, follow this video. This will be very, very beneficial as the books, the fees, everything is discussed in this video. So all the best for your career ahead. I hope you get success in your life. And thank you for watching this video out. Just stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. Thank you so much.